The Lightning was called the most hoodooed plane in aviation history, cursed as revolutionary. First fighter to use a turbo supercharger. First fighter with a tricycle landing gear. First fighter grouping guns and cannon to fire directly ahead of the pilot. Rumored too much plane for any one man to fly and fight in. But men learned to fly and fight in the P-38s. Learned an odd way, by piggyback. Two men crowded in a cockpit built for one. And so the first German plane shot down in this war by the U.S. Air Forces was a big Focke-Wulf bagged over Iceland by a P-38. And when fighter planes were needed in Africa, the P-38s were the first to fly non-stop across the Atlantic. And they roared into action in time to knock out Rommel's tanks. When our heavy bombers started commuting to Berlin, it was the P-38s who led the way. And some arrived at the target area ahead of the bombers. So P-38s can claim to be the first American planes over Berlin. When our invasion convoy sailed for France, P-38s were the first fighters ordered to provide air support. And the Angels made good their promise to the ground troops. If you see a plane above you, it'll be one of ours. When long-range fighters were needed to patrol the skies between the South Pacific Islands, P-38s drew the assignment, swept the heavens clear from Australia to the Philippines. It's the hoodoo plane for our enemy.